Hi, everyone. My wish is for everyone to get a hearing test before you start to notice a hearing problem. Just like you get an eye exam on a routine basis, or you go to the dentist and get your teeth cleaned, or other health screenings that you might get before you have a problem, hearing should be no different. I see a lot of people in my practice that are in their 60s, 70s, 80s, haven't had a hearing test since they were in elementary school. And I think that is not good health care. Hearing loss is a medical condition, and therefore we need to start monitoring it well before the symptoms of hearing loss show up. So if it's been a while since you've had a hearing test, do yourself a favor. Come see an audiologist, get your hearing checked today. There are so many good reasons why. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you soon. Bye.